Right, and welcome back to Mediator and to ICT. And now what we're going to do is do something with that collision detection. So we're going to get that penguin here to get something to happen when that fish touches him, which it will get working eventually. I don't know if you remember that I've got headline here. I've actually got a penguin fed headline here. This is where it starts being interesting. Now, basically, we want an event on the penguin, and the event on the penguin is on collision. What we're going to do here is programming. We're going to assign var score plus 1. And then what we're going to do, multimedia, set property, object, penguin fed headline, the values, and the value as the property is going to be text, values and expression is going to be var score. So basically, when that fish touches that penguin, the score will go up. But also, we're going to put in a timeline, and we're going to put in another set property, and the property of the object is going to be the mackerel, and the value is going to be the x, the value as an expression, as a constant value, and the constant value is going to be 767, which is right the way over there, and the set property of the mackerel, and it's not going to be the y this time, and it's going to be 45, I think. And oh no, I don't like that. I think it might be a minus number. Okay, I'm just going to I'll leave it as 45, see what happens. It may be we need to change that because that's the up and down one. And then we click OK, and then click close. And I'm going to see what that x and y property is. X 71745. Yeah, that looks okay. So let's see if that works. Right, that more or less works. That's great. Now the thing is, we need some way to keep on checking and to see if it reaches a certain amount. Because I think if we feed the penguin too much, it's going to get overweight. So let's get back here. So I've got that movement of the mackerel. Let's get that programming. So let's go to an if statement. So if our score equals, I don't know, 3, then I think we can do something fun. But for now, what we'll do is we'll stick in a message box. This is the way it says, and we can go and put this in sample. And what we can do, what can we do? We're going to insert, I know what we'll do, insert call out. Let's put it in there. Let's move it up a bit. Edit. No, we can't do anything. We need to stick in some text. So we're going to put in when stuffed. Let's center that. Let's make that small and move it. I'm sure you can do something clever with that. What we're going to do is, whoops, is not that, is we're going to group this. And we do that by selecting it and by clicking group. And what we'll do is we're going to make that invisible. Let's go back here to our events. Let's go back into our if statement here. Get rid of that. Stick in a timeline. We'll show that group. And then we'll hide the group. And I think we might assign school to 0 again, so we can start to play again. So that's just my thoughts on it. Feel free to play around to your heart's content. I'm not expecting you to have anything perfect by any means in terms of the game, because that's just something I threw together. But do feel free to ask any questions you want, because you've basically got until nearly the end of term, because you will be doing a write-up, but I want you to have an excellent multimedia product first. Anyway, let's stop for now.